Thanks to Jerry at Magnolia Tire Pros and Auto Service for the professional installation of our SENSEN struts. We always recommend you go to a professional for this type of repair. Today we will be replacing a set of rear complete strut assemblies on a 2008 Chevy Impala. This set also fits the 2004 to 2008 Pontiac Grand Prix with 16-inch wheels, the 2005 to 2009 Buick Allure with 16-inch wheels, the 2005 to 2009 Buick LaCrosse with 16-inch wheels, the 2005 to 2009 Chevrolet Impala excluding the police and taxi packages with 16-inch wheels, and the 2000 to 2009 Chevrolet Impala excluding the police and taxi packages. We recommend using SENSEN shocks and struts when replacing your worn-out shocks and struts. SENSEN shocks and struts come with a limited lifetime warranty. They are benchmark tested against industry leaders for quality and designed to meet or exceed original equipment specifications. SENSEN has been manufacturing shocks and struts since 1985. Their shocks and struts use Japanese NOK seals for superior leak resistance and come with a premium powder-coated finish to provide long-lasting corrosion and rust protection. The SENSEN brand is where quality meets affordability. Some of the tools needed for this installation include a 14, 15, 19, and 21 mm sockets and a pair of pliers. This concludes our rear strut installation of a 2008 Chevrolet Impala. Be sure to look out for our front complete strut assembly installation for this same vehicle. Thanks for watching, and thanks to Magnolia Tire Pros and Auto Service for their professional installation.